Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be showing you how to easily merge multiple PDF files into one file. Here are the files I want to be combining, the PDF files. So here I have the certificate, and the next one, this is going to be my page 2 called Sample Officer Certificate, and my page 3 is going to be the Award Officer Certificate. So what you need to do is open your browser and type in combinedpdf.com into your browser. That's it over there. So type in combine this, as you can see, combinedpdf.com into your browser. Once you do that, hit the enter key and you will have something similar like this. Okay, so if you look onto this web page, you will notice that there are several things you can do on this web page or on this website. Okay, so but that's not what I'm talking about today. I'm talking about combining PDF files, which is this particular one. All right, so if you also look closer, you would see you can either upload your files or you drag and drop. You can see that here. So that's what I'll be doing, drag and drop. So here I do have files that I initially created in my other videos. So I'm going to copy or drag and drop these files into this website and combine them. So the first one I'll drag and drop into this place. So it's uploading. However, make sure that you arrange your files the way you want it to be. Okay, so this particular one is going to be page 1. So the file that I want to come as page 2, I'll also drag that particular one. So here I'm dragging the second file into that website, so it's going to upload. Then I'll go back and drag the third PDF file that I want to merge and drop into that website. Okay, so it's uploading. Once it finishes, you can see here, just click on that combine button. So I'll do that. All right, so you can see right here it's downloading. So once you click on combine, it's going to download your document and you have it in one file combined together. So, all right, so look over here. This is the document that has been combined, this particular one. So I'll double click and there we go. So here was the first page that I entered into the website. So I'll go to the second page. So this is, sorry, that's the third page. Second page, I have this as Sample Officer Certificate. I'll go to the third page. I have this as Award Officer's Certificate. So this is pretty easy. You can make combination. You can add several documents into this place and combine as you want. The next thing I like to show you is here. Once you finish and you want to combine more files, you can go ahead and clear the queue so you can curate more PDF files. All right, so this is super easy, free. However, you need to have access to the internet to be able to do this. Let me know if this helped you, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one.